Hello, good morning. Today we are going to see the preparatory poses for Padmasana. Padmasana is also called lotus pose in English. So we are going to learn what are all the preparatory postures for someone. They can just like that, they can take their legs up and come into Padmasana. You have to bring your both legs up like this. So you sit with your hands up. This is Padmasana. But for some people, they may find it difficult to get into the asana. So I am going to tell you today what are all the asanas which can prepare your legs to get into Padmasana. That's wonderful, isn't it? Yes, sit back, enjoy. Now you are going to take your right leg up. Left leg is folded and kept down. You are going to take your right leg up. Hold it here. Hold the right knee with your right hand and left knee up. Hold it and close your eyes to count 5. And breathing is normal. In breath and out breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly dropping it down. Now you are going to put the right leg in and going to bring the left leg out. Same way you are going to hold the ankle and your left hand to your left knee. Lift it up, hold it high. Work your abdominal muscles in this pose to keep your spine straight. You are going to close your eyes to count 5 in normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your leg down and sit. Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and slowly out. Again, you are going to bring your right leg up again. This time you are going to take your left hand and insert it so that you are putting your right ankle to your left elbow. Hold it here. Other hand stretched up. You have to hold this pose also for 5 counts. So hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normal breathing. And slowly bring your hand down. Keep the leg down. Take a long inhalation and exhaling. Now we are going to do the same with the left leg. You are lifting the left leg up, inserting your hand and locking your ankle with your knee joint. And the left hand goes to the knee to stabilize. Then you are going to lift your left hand up to hold the pose. Hold it stable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly you are going to bring the hand down and keep the leg down. One more practice. Now you are going to stretch your leg out, left leg out, and you are going to take the right leg to your hands, and again you are going to lock your ankle with your elbow. Other hand goes in, right hand, and you are going to do a namaste gesture with your hands. Both palms are coming together to do a namaste. You are going to keep your spine up, softly erect, and closing your hands in namaste gesture to say I honor you. And closing your eyes, we are going to count 5. 1, normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bringing the leg down, stretching it out, taking the other leg, that is your left leg, in. Now you are going to bring the left leg up, locking it with right elbow, locking your ankle with the right elbow. You are going to insert your left hand and going to join your palms. Namaste. And keep doing the normal breathing and keep holding the pose. 1, keep your back straight, a smile on your face. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your leg down, stretch it out. Now you want to relax your legs. Do this, tap your knees up and down, go. Switch over and tap, right knee up and left knee up. Tap out, tap, 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 and settle down. Okay, now I am going to do from the sideways. I am taking my right leg up, left leg is stretched out. I am locking it with my left elbow. I am inserting my right hand and going to hold it by doing a namaste gesture, keeping my spine straight. Hold with a smile on your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back, bring the leg out. Now you are going to do the same with the left leg. Bring the left leg up and lock it with your right elbow and straighten your back. Insert the left hand and join your palms to say a namaste. Hold. 1, with a smile on your face. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly you are going to bring the leg down and going to do the knee tapping once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your toes out, stretch your toes in. Stretch your toes out, stretch your toes in. Now I want you to do little movement after holding. Let's see, take your right leg up and lock it with your left hand. Insert the other hand. Hold it in namaste gesture. After doing that, bring your hand, right hand out and hold your left hand to the sole, right sole. You are going to bring the right hand near the knee joints and you will be able to lock. If you press your sole to your elbows, left elbow, you are going to lock your hands here. You are going to sit straight to look up again with a smile on your face. You are going to hold the pose in normal breathing, inhaling and slowly out breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly taking the leg out to drop it. Now bringing the other leg in, that is your left leg. You are going to lock your elbows and hold here. After that, hold the right hand to your left sole. Lock your knee joints here. Bring the left hand and lock your sole to your right elbow. You are ready for the pose. Hold your hands. You can interlock your hands. Take your body up. Look in front of you. With a smile on your face, you are going to close your eyes to feel the pose inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, inhaling and exhaling. Slowly bring the leg and join your legs together. Now do just join your legs and just patting. Pat, pat, pat. Relax. Pat, pat, pat. Relax. Pat, pat, pat. Relax. Pat, pat, pat. Then slowly coming to the place, you are going to try getting into Padmasana. So bring your right leg up and drop it on your left inner thigh, and bringing the left leg out, you are going to take it with lot of care and dropping it on your right thigh muscles. Hold it straight, keep your hands down to stretch properly. Take your back straight and sit in this posture, holding a namaste and a smile. Hold. 1, 2, in breath, out breath, 4 and 5. Now bringing your hands to your knees, you are going to keep your palms open to receive the energy, and you are going to close your eyes. Take a long deep in breath and slowly leaving it out. Once again, deep breath in and slowly leaving it out. Now slowly open your eyes. Hold the Chin Mudra in your hands. Holding Chin Mudra in your hands, you have to touch your tip of your thumb and tip of your index finger. You are going to join, stretching all the other fingers out the same way with the left hand also. This is Chin Mudra. We are going to hold the Chin Mudra while sitting in Padmasana and closing our eyes. How you feel inside? You feel like a yogi or yogini. Close your eyes. Feel the vibrations that is happening inside. With a smile on your face, a broad smile on your face, and you are going to lift your chin up, keeping the chin upright and being there. Focusing on your breath. Slowly open your eyes. Hope you all enjoyed today's practice. How is Padmasana feels while sitting in Padmasana? How you feel inside? Let me know and do the preparatory poses to get into Padmasana easily. Wishing you all wonderful day. Signing off, Kalavati Sridharan.